Morning! We're walking to the playground. Ganda ng araw eh. Oh. Asa may nest? Ayun sila, oo. Yung ano. Rosella. Ay. Ayan. Happy ang kiddos. Yung saray ko nandun. Yung dalawa nag-walking. May mga baon silang snack eh. Anong oras na ate? 11? O 10?
10:50.
Oh, mag-11 na guys. You should have got your soccer ball pala, Riker, no? Okay. Okay. You guys, gabi na pala. Hindi alas what time is it now, baby? Can you check on daddy's phone? What time is it? Can you check? It's
21.
huh? 17. It's 5:17, you guys. And I had a nap because I wasn't feeling well. I mean, may cramps ako sa aking tiyan. Kala ko manganganak na tayo. Kala ko lang. Pero bagalaw pa rin si baby eh. So, higa-higa lang ako for today's video. Si ate Ate Grace nagluluto ng sinigang for tonight. Riker had a haircut. Sinundo yan ni daddy niya. Ang gwapo. Show them your haircut, Bobby. Jesus. So you had a haircut today. Rahali's in the bath. Baba na tayo niyan. Magalaw pa rin si baby. So I don't think he's gonna come out yet. Ayan, kumakain na si Riker dinner. Sinigang, his favorite.
Kanyang sinigang yan.
Right? Ang gwapo niya sa book niya. Look at mama. Wow. So gwapo.
Favorite niya sinigang mo.
Did you tell Daddy Grandma came today?
Mama, Dad is in the playground.
Good morning! Happy Saturday! Ali, you say good morning? Ano na tayo? Magta-37 weeks na tayo guys sa Tuesday. And, yeah, full term na tayo, no? So today, lang kami, dahil may ubo nga si ate, so magpa-check up daw siya. Yeah, so dalhin namin siya mamaya sa clinic. And then,
Gold coin.
yeah, kailangan niya mag-work.
Oo.
Binilan ko siya ng alakansya eh. So he can do some jobs and then he can put it in, give him some money. And then ilagay niya sa alakansya niya. Kasi gusto niya bumili ng traffic light. Saka yung toilet poop. Ano ba yan? Yung board game? Yung toilet poop daw. Yung nakita niya sa Kmart. Sabi ko, sige, you save. Ayan, naglinis yung mag-ama dyan. Si Ayo, pink na pink, oh. Ang dumi na ng agbots niya na panlabas. So, lalabas kaming lahat. Girls lang. Magpapa-ultrasound muna ako. Nag-book ako ng private ultrasound. Wala. Gusto ko lang makita yung we'll spy on baby. Rika, Ahali, we'll see baby. You want to see baby?
Full perfect profile.
Oh, look at that. We're here at ultrasound.
Top lip, bottom lip, chin.
Well done.
Hi.
Beautiful. Look at this detail.
Mango.
Hi.
Oh, ayan na. Oh, look, Mama. It's a heartbeat, Barbie.
Ayan, tapos na kami kay baby. We're here at Tita, nagpa-check up lang si Tita Big, no? And baby is very head down. Good job. Well done, baby. You say? Ang chubby daw ng cheeks niya. And then may rose daw yung kanyang waist. Nakakaloka. Sabi niya, baka ano daw, 38 weeks ang guess niya, no? Sonographer. But we'll see. 37 weeks na tayo next week. So we'll see him in 2 weeks, hey? You wanna? Kasi very, ano na siya, low na siya. Hey? Mommy needs to do lots of walking and
Yeah,
eat lots of
well.
pineapple.
Yeah, well.
Ang cute ng outfit ni ate. Oh. Pink. Ayan. Dito pala kami sa Costco, guys. Ang daming tao. Oo. Tinan nyo. Namili na si Madam ng dress. So, nakita niya na yan pang Halloween. Yan. Dinner na pala kami, guys. Chicken curry ang aming ulam. May adobo din sa kids. 2 putahe. Hanggang bukas na yung ulam namin. Yung 2 ayaw pa kumain, no? Kain. Good morning. Happy Sunday. We're with Barker Flynn. Where are we going?
In the cafe into restaurant.
What are you gonna eat?
Pancake.
Harley is still asleep, you guys. 9 o'clock na. Si ate na talaga nag-sleep. Ayan, nagugutom ako. Sabi ko gusto ko nang... Nag-sleep in din ako. So I woke up at 8:30. And sila ni Ben. Si Ben tsaka si Raiko. Kanina pa yan sila gising. Nanonood sila ng soccer. Sabi ko gusto ko nung French toast ulit. Hey? Baby loves sweets. Hey?
Mommy, don't cry.
Baby got loves sweets, so that's why.
That's why it's got
He has
rolls.
chubby cheeks.
That's why it's got rolls of fat on it.
The sonographer yesterday said the chubby cheeks daw, and then may rose na daw yung wrist niya. Oh my God, we'll see that when he comes out. Yeah, so si ate biglang yung gising na sa baba, nagkakape. Sabi ko, pipick up din namin kasi yung, the grocery will be ready by the time we finish. So, let's go! Excited? What is that? So? Ayan, kape tayo guys. Ang sarap. Ano yung sa kanya? Flat white, I think. Latte yung akin. Hindi yummy. Hey, lucky boy. Poor ate. Hey, ate's missing out. Ayan. And then he's having bacon and eggs. Si Riker, very good siya. Paubos na. Wala pa yung ate. Ito yung hash brown nila. Ang sarap-sarap. Nagustuhan to ni Harley. I might bring home some for Harley. Ayan, ito yung akin. Kain tayo. Ayan yung grocery ko guys. Ang dami, di ba?
Whoa, that's
Oh, that's a lot of grocery.
I can.
Ayan, ang ating grocery. Good morning! Yes, nag-crave ako ng aking French toast eh. Ayan, bahay na kami guys. Ayan, kalat ni Riker, oh. Sisama namin yung magmamarion kami. Kasi kailangan ko bumili ng the rest of the kids' vitamins. So, iwan si ate kay daddy niya kasi magsha-shopping na naman yan kung yan yung isasama namin, no? Wala na talaga tayong pera. Kapag si Harley, kota na siya sa kanyang pa-shopping. Ayan, dito na pala kami sa Marion, guys. We're having lunch sa Nando's. Kain tayo. Sinama pala namin si Riker. Yan yung kanya. Ayan, bahay na pala kami, guys. Kanina pa, nag-dinner na kami. Nag-barbecue lang kami ng sausage this time. And wala lang kami binili. Ano lang, microwave lang. Dahil nasira na pala yung microwave ko. So, I just bought one sa Big W. Breville ang ating nabili. Ano? Pakita mo, ate.
You microwave.
Good morning, guys.
Morning, guys. My feet are cold.
I know. I gotta cut his toenails. I already cut his
Oh dear.
nails.
Not my feet. Not my feet.
No, it tickles you. I gotta do eyes too later.
Not my feet.
I know. This is so long now. Then mommy can turn on Robo later to vacuum all the nails, no? Oh, what is it today? What's the day today?
I don't know.
Happy...
Sunday.
It's Monday. Yesterday is Sunday. And where are you going?
In our school. Now,
You tell them.
what are we gonna do when Daddy drops me off at school when I finish in my school?
Oh, what do you want to do?
No, when Daddy picked me up at school.
Oh.
When Daddy drive to my school. What I gotta do when I go home.
Yeah.
Why
It's up to you. What do you
Why
want to do?
why I gotta do at home when Daddy picked me up.
Yeah. What do you want to do?
Take a shower.
Oh, take a shower.
No, Mommy, you can take a rest.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, mommy needs a rest, no?
Take a-
Why does mommy needs a rest? Oh, can you?
Because it's heavy.
Baby is heavy. Can you wait?
Mommy, I wanna lay down.
I know mommy is left-handed kasi.
You do want cut my nails.
Yes. What are you gonna do at school?
I don't know.
You gotta listen and learn, diba?
Mommy, I gotta make some drawing.
You tell them what is your affirmations at school. They would love to know that.
Oh.
The guys, I'll tell the guys, what's your affirmation? I am, what else?
Brave.
Yes,
I am creative.
I am creative. What else?
I believe in me.
Oh, and I am guapo.
No.
Teachers gonna say, what's guapo, Riker?
But Mommy,
What is one?
I doesn't say guapo in my school.
Oh, you don't say. Mommy, add that one now. Because you are very guapo. All done.
No, Mommy.
Where's your socks?
Put it in the floor.
Now you finish your breakfast and your green juice? What
Oh,
time is it now?
Fit-
Dad is still asleep. 8:20 now, guys. Daddy will pick him up at 8:45.
Not again.
What else can you tell them? They love listening to
Oh,
you.
Mommy, I gotta draw a love heart.
I love heart. And this one daw yung shape. Is that a love heart?
Yes, it is.
Oh, it is. Good job.
It is a love heart. It's a big love heart.
No. What sandwich did Tita make for you? Star or a heart?
Star.
Mm-hmm.
Now, Mommy, how can you make a star?
Oh, that's a bit hard to make a star there. I can make it on a rubber band. Or maybe we'll try this. Mommy used to do this when I was young. With a rubber band. Guys, we'll show him how we used to shape star with a rubber band.
Guava.
But we'll use this one.
Mommy, why for
So
me?
we do this.
Star band.
And that.
Guava band.
Do that, guys.
Wow, that's a
Star!
star.
You guys, see? Oh.
No, Mommy. No, I gotta
Do you wanna
make
learn
something
it?
else.
Ayan, gising na pala si ate. Nag-ano na siya. Breakfast. And gawin natin yung box today. Gawin nila. Ayan.
Malaki pa to?
Halos mga ano lang naman yun, mga naka-declutter.
Malaki pa to. Malaki pang girl.
Ayan, gising na si madam. Ay, kanina pa pala.
Favorite.
Ayan, natapos nila ate yung box. So, isa, marami pang pwedeng lagyan dun. Jesus, ang lantong. Gagora. Okay, what color do you want? Hey, is it raining? Look, it's raining. Tingnan mo yung makeup niya. Nahanap na.
Do your makeup.
Oh my
Oh, you look
goodness.
yourself in the
You look at
mirror.
yourself in the mirror.
Marami sa'yo.
What do you think? Oh my god, it's so pigmented. Oh, you look yourself in the mirror then.
In the mirror.
Oh, close your eyes though.
Isis.
Wow!
Isis.
Oh.
You don't know how to put it? Ayaw mo siya dapat.
Blue dress.
Blue dress. Ang hindi pa na dress.
Oh, he wants blue. You want blue?
Blue dress daw, oh. Oh, you do it yourself.
Sige na.
Do it?
You do it like tita. So pretty.
yourself hindi.
And then you do your nails later.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be
Say, I am pretty.
I am pretty.
Ayan, let me look at your face, Holly. Ito pala yung minakeup niya, guys. So, naglo-learning ano siya, writing and reading. And lunch na tayo. Sausage.
Okay na.
Yum.
Kain na
With
muna na.
avo and salad. And then may pineapple tayo para sa ating ano, cervix. Good morning! Pumasok na pala si Riker. Yan ang yung sabi breakfast.
Breakfast, Ate. What's your
We'll
breakfast?
go to the playground later, no? Go to the playground and then we're gonna have sombrero daw for Dina. Wala ka naman kinakain dun eh.
Di ba kinakain nila yung ano?
Quesadilla. Ay, salad lang siya. Salad girl siya. Ayun yung wala palang
Chips
kinakain.
lang siya.
Chips lang siya. Yung nacho chips.
Yeah. All over. Pwede mo rin siya ilagay sa mukha, anak. Kasi it's natural.
Heritage dito. Frozen berries na lang yung nilalagay ko sa Weet-Bix nila, guys. Gumagawa siya ng
Gagawa tayo ng natural coffee scrub. Salt, sugar, and what's that called? Coconut oil. It
Yung ano ko yan eh, yung
hydrate your skin daw.
ang aming homemade body scrub. Ang bango.
Oh, natural pa yan.
May coconut. Ano nilagay mo? Coconut oil,
Sugar,
sugar,
tapos body wash.
body wash.
Honey. And honey, yeah, and honey. Very good. And honey. All natural.
You guys, nandito na pala kami sa labas. O, diba? Magbabas na naman kami. Hindi makatiis. Wala pa kaming service sa Thursday pa darating. Well, anyway, waiting for the bus kami. Kasi punta kami ng Henley Beach. Gusto nila mag-sombrero. Hindi pa nataray ni ate.
Yeah, mag-library si Sawi.
Magla-library ka.
Yes, diba?
Pag sumigaw yung pinsan mo, lalabas tayo.
Yeah. Yan si
Ayan na yung bus namin. Let's go. Hello. Dito na kami sa library, guys. Nilagyan ko siya ng lanyard kasi baka mamaya sumigaw siya. Pero dito naman kami sa children's area nila eh. Oh. Ang social lang library nila, no? Ang ganda. Tapos pwede kang manghiram ng mga even board games tsaka electronic games. Mga Switch. Ang ganda, no?
Galing, oo. Minsan dali natin
Sana
si
all.
Riker.
So, ayan. I know. Si ate, nandun na sa library. Namimili na siya.
Dito kayo.
Diyan ka lang, pwede ka mag-self-check out.
Dito mo lang, i-scan mo lang yung book mo.
Sa kaka-sign up ko lang kanina, so tingnan natin kung makakabaro nga siya.
Ah, naka-ano ka na? Online
May
na
meron
rin?
na ako member.
Oh, amazing.
Ang cute, no? Sayang sira na yung ano nila. Meron silang pa-grocery dyan and kitchen. May mga laruan nga din eh. Oh. May mga toys din dun. Wala. Gusto niya lang nagda-drawing, guys. Ito na yung mga drawing niya, oh. Ang cute. Ang ganda one with the rainbow dress. Mamaya lakad kami sa sombrero. That's beautiful, Holly. Scan there. Sorry naman. Kailangan ng ano. Ayan, lakad na tayo sa sombrero, guys. Harley's happy. Ate is happy, nakapag-borrow ng book. Ang ganda ng weather. Dito kami sa Henley. Oh, diba? Sunny day, blue sky, ai. Hey? Mga ano, seagulls. Mike. Punta tayo dito sa sombrero. Ay, yung katabi pala namin, Pilipino daw yan, sabi ni Ben. Yung katabi namin.
Magiging Filipino store?
No, ngayon, Pilipino man daw. May Filipino food.
Oh, yeah?
Hindi ko pa na-check out eh.
Ang Vietnamese man tayo, nakasulat.
No, the other side pa yata. Ay, pamakain na si Harley. Ang sarap ng chips oh. May bago na yung chips niya malasa.
I like it.
Quesadilla siya with beef and corn and tomato.
Hindi.
Si Ate Burrito.
Ibig sabihin, pag next time pa na.
Yummy.
Oh, yeah.
Ayan, kain tayo guys. Signature bowl. Nag-order din kami ng nachos. No, kay ate yan.
Sorry.
Eh?
Hindi, meron ako. Ko sa
Nachos.
Ito yung akin. No?
This one. And Harley's already eating a brownie guys. Oh, wow. Dito kami sa Henley Square. Ayan, kain tayo. Diba dapat dinner namin to, hindi na kami nakapaghintay. Nag-bus na kami dito. Si ate burrito eh. Kaya niyang kumagat ng burrito eh.
salad daw.
Mm.
Salad. Kaya may nagsasabi burrito. Yeah. Ang ganda naman. Very beautiful day. Yeah.
I'm gonna eat your quesadilla, Baba, okay?
Ayan na. Harley, happy ba ako?
Hindi, sorry, kaya niyang kumain ng ano.
I know, right?
Kaya niyang kumain ng burrito.
Oh my God.
Pala, may chips pa kami guys. Ang sarap. Takpan mo muna kasi baka yung ibon. Lahat tayo.
Oh, yeah.
Oo. Extra, double carbs ka na.
Oo.
Si Harley na inahabol-habol niya lang yung ibon. Mhm. Hi! Say hi! Ayan, tapos na kami mag-lunch, you guys. Busog ang lahat. Busog. Harley's happy. Ang lakas ng alon. Pero wala namang wala namang hangin.
Sound ng dagat.
Yeah.
Tutulong tayo, no?
Diyan ka matulog, Harley, kasi may white noise ka live. Live ang iyong white noise. Si ate doon natutulog eh. Walking tayo. Pauwi na pala kami, guys. Nasa bus na kami. Yung dalawa. Ayan. Bahay na kami, guys. Na, alas 3. Pauwi na rin sila Ben and Riker. Naidala pala sila ate ng polvoron. Toblerone. Ngayon ko lang matitikman yung Goldilocks kasi palagi ko matatry yung Red Ribbon. So, kain natin yung classic. Tsaka yung masarap daw is yung pinipig. Pinipig. May cashew, may cookies and cream. Ano yung natry ni Ai?
Hindi ko alam. Ang flavor ng pinuhan. Anak ko siya to. Favorite siya. Pinipig din.
Pinipig. Ay, try natin lahat.
Pinipig eh.
So, may pinipig, may classic Owe, cookies and cream, and cashew. Yeah. I-try mo natin yung pinipig.
Dala ko yung bibili ko kami dyan. So, that's lang.
Gusto ni Harley to, nakadalawa na siya.
But I love Mikey. Bakit naman ito na gawin ko?
Okay lang. Harap. Parang mas masarap yung ang Toblerone. Ay, ano? Bakit ako Toblerone lang ng Toblerone?
Toblerone ka ng Toblerone.
Ano, parang mas masarap yung Red Ribbon.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Hindi mo type yung ano? Ang sikat kaya yung deluxe sa pag-Pulveron.
Magkano ito yung classic na lang? Ayan, try natin yung classic na guys.
Natanggal mo na lang tayo. Ano yan, mama? Hindi, tali. Gagawin lang siya.
Gusto ko sa Goldilocks yung mamon nila eh.
Ah!
Ayan na si Riker guys. Riker, say hi! Who's teacher there today? Hiya, baby. Oh, opposite po yung dinner namin tonight. Kanina healthy-healthyhan kami. Ngayon si Ben nag-order ng pizza, tapos na silang kumain kami naman. Kasi busog na busog pa kami kanina eh. Nagbili pa siya ng Coke. Talaga.
May coke pala.
Mamaya na lang. May pa-Coke pa. Si ate, tubig lang daw siya. Hindi ka nakikita pala.
May tabi.
Oo. Ay, ito. Napit ka daw kasi mas mapagda.
Sa mukbang. Ayan. Ba't kami?
10% to $83.
Kaya naman sa cherry. Anong brand ito? Hindi ko lang.
Masarap pa.
Tech giants are accused of having
Sabili tayo
blocked
nito pag tayo.
for allowing young Australians
No?
to turn victims
Lagyan mo lang breadcrumbs lang.
Hi, Ian.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing